Today I'll be drawing Mira from K-pop Demon Hunters. Let's get started. First, let's start with her eyes. Now her bangs. I'll add some ramen noodles in her mouth. And her face is complete. Now let's start working on her hair and her ears. Now her long ponytails. We'll draw her holding chopsticks. And her holding her signature ramen cup. Details. And we're done. Time to start coloring. Mira has vibrant and long hot pink hair. I'll first start with her bangs. Darker pink color to create shadows in her hair. Let's color her skin. I'll add a little pink to her cheeks. Let's color her shirt. Now, the ramen and chopsticks. Time to color her red ramen cup. Some hearts and stars in the background. I'll use some pink for the hearts and yellow for the stars. Let's finish it off with a dark blue background. And now we're done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!